Hello, dear students. I am going to teach class 5 science chapter 1 and the topic is human body. Actually, I have made some question answers and I think it will be easier for you to understand. So I'm explaining the chapter by these question answers. Number 1, what is the function of circulatory system? Circulatory system transports substances in our body like food, oxygen, waste materials like carbon dioxide and some other important substances. Question number 2, what things are transported in our body? You know that food, oxygen, carbon dioxide and some other waste materials, hormones, all these things are to be transported in our body and blood helps in the transportation of all these substances in our body. Question number 3, what are the different parts of circulatory system? There are three main parts of circulatory system and these are heart, blood and blood vessels. You know that heart is almost a triangular structure. It remains in our chest cavity. So the first question from heart is, where is the heart located? The heart is located in our chest cavity. Now question number 5, how many chambers are there in human heart? There are 4 chambers in human heart. Upper 2 chambers are called auricles and the lower 2 chambers are called ventricles. Actually, different organisms are having different numbers of chamber. For example, fishes have 2 chambers only in their heart. For example, frogs have 3 chambers only in their heart. And we are human being, we have 4 chambers in our heart. Upper chambers are called auricle, lower chambers are called ventricle. So there are 2 auricles, right auricle and left auricle. There are 2 ventricles, right ventricle and right ventricle and left ventricle. Now question number 6, what is heartbeat? Heartbeat is the rhythmic movement of heart while pumping the blood creates a sound called heartbeat. When blood is circulated through the blood vessels, a sound is produced which is called heartbeat. Question number 7, name the components of blood. Actually, blood consists of 2 types of components. It has 2 parts, a fluid part and a cellular part. Fluid means liquid part. The liquid part of blood, it is called plasma or you can say blood fluid and blood cells. So once again I am repeating the components of blood. Blood consists of 2 types of components of fluid and blood cells. Now question number 8, name the different kinds of blood cells and write their functions. That means what are their functions? There are 3 types of blood cells, RBC, that is red blood cells, WBC, that is white blood cells, and platelets. Now you know that the color of the blood is red and this red color is provided by RBC. RBC contain a pigment called hemoglobin. Actually, the red color of blood is provided by hemoglobin. So, function of RBC, its function is to provide red color to the blood because it contains hemoglobin and carry oxygen. Function of RBC, once again I am repeating, provide red color to the blood because it contains hemoglobin. If RBC, if hemoglobin is not present in RBC, then RBC cannot provide red color to the blood, and the function is carry oxygen. Then WBC or white blood cell, WBC, RBC, these are the white blood cell is the full form of WBC, red blood cell is the full form of RBC. Now white blood cell, the function of white blood cell is to fight against disease causing germ. When disease causing germ enter into our body, WBC fight with them and protect us from diseases. Then blood platelets, their function is to help in clotting blood. When we are having any injury in our body, bleeding occurs, you know, platelet, and after some time you must notice that the blood clots in that particular portion. So which blood cell helps in clotting blood? That is blood platelets. Platelets helps in clotting blood. Now, what are blood vessels? Blood vessels are tube-like structures through which blood is circulated all over the body. Some blood vessels come out from the heart, some blood vessels entered into the heart. You just go through the diagram in the book. Blood vessels are of 3 types. It is given in the next question, that is question number 10. Name the different types of blood vessels. There are 3 types of blood vessels. These are artery, vein and capillaries. Now, what are arterioles? The branches of artery, very fine branches come out from artery, they are called arterioles. In the same way, fine branches come out from vein, they are called venules. And the branches of venules and the branches of arterioles are finer than venules and arterioles, they are called capillaries. Afterwards, I am giving this question and discussing the answer also. Then the next question, write the function of artery. That means what is the function of artery? The main function of artery is to carry blood from heart to the different parts of our body. Then the next question is, write the function of vein. That is, what is the function of vein? The function of vein is just opposite to artery. We have learned that arteries carry blood from heart to all parts, and the function of vein is to carry blood from all parts to the heart. So the function of veins carry blood from all parts of our body to the heart. Now, question number 14. What is vena cava? Vena cava is the largest vein in our body, which remains in the upper portion of heart. It is called superior vena cava, and which remains in the lower portion of the heart. It is given very nicely in the diagram in your book. That is called inferior vena cava. So 2 vena cava, superior and inferior. Now, what are capillaries? I have discussed already capillaries. Just now I told you that from arteries, very small, thin branches come out which are called arteries.